Did you know that the health of your mouth could affect your stomach? Emerging research shows a fascinating connection between oral microbes and gastric health. Today we'll explore how this oral-gastric microbial axis plays a role in gastric diseases, including gastric cancer. For decades, scientists have known that Helicobacter pylori, a stomach-dwelling bacterium, is a major cause of gastric cancer. It triggers inflammation and damages the stomach lining, leading to conditions like gastric atrophy and intestinal metaplasia. But here's the twist. The number of H. pylori-negative gastric cancer cases is rising. This means other factors, like oral microbes, might be playing a bigger role than we thought. Your mouth is home to billions of microbes. Some of these, like Streptococcus anginosus and Prevotella melaninogenica, can migrate to the stomach. Once there, they disrupt the stomach's microbial balance, a condition called gastric dysbiosis. These oral microbes don't just sit quietly, they cause trouble. They trigger inflammation, damage the stomach lining, and may even contribute to the development of gastric cancer. Here's something you can act on. Studies show that poor oral hygiene is linked to a higher risk of gastric cancer. Brushing, flossing, and regular dental checkups might not just save your teeth, they could protect your stomach too. This research highlights the importance of the oral-gastric microbial axis in gastric health. By understanding this connection, scientists hope to develop new ways to prevent and treat gastric diseases.